Invasive species of Cape Coral, Nile monitor. Look at that. That's a Nile monitor lizard. Greetings and salutations, Chris the Flex here, coming to you from Rotary Park here in Cape Coral. And we're going to explore this park. A little bit about this park. Rotary Park is 97 acres. It was opened in 2001, and it contains an environmental center, a playground, dog park, boardwalk, barbecues, shelters, nature trails, a butterfly house, which is by appointment only. You have to make an appointment to go in there and check out the butterfly house. I think it's Monday through Saturday starting at 10. But we're going to go through this nature trail, and there's an observation tower that I wanted to show you. Let's go check it out. I'm really kind of into nature, so that's why I do a lot of park videos. Look at this place, how gorgeous it is. And they have like little picnic tables, and then it comes out. Look at this. Fishing in here. Maybe even alligators, I don't know. I would not go frolicking in any water like this. Of course, there might be gators in there. I don't even know. But I would think so. So we're going to go to the lookout tower, and we're going to climb it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like from up top. It's pretty amazing. If you look over here, more water. Let's go take a look in there. I don't want to get too close in case there is a gator in here. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is back here. Ooh, there's a fish. I don't know if you could see them, probably not. A lot of fish in there. All right, let's go finish. Look at this place. Let's go take a look at the lookout tower. All right, we're coming up to the lookout tower, and we are going to go to the top and check it out. Oh yes, this should be fun. Yep, we're gonna go up there and take a look around. Let's go see what we can see from up there. All right. Climb these steps slow. I don't want to fall from up here. Oh yeah. You want to see what I see? I'll show you right now. Look at that. Look at this. This is really nice what they did here in Cape Coral with this observation tower. And they just refurbished it not long ago. Whew, I'm out of breath on that one. Look up here. This is what I see. And you see. That's the Tarpon Point Marina down there. Old Tarpon Point. That's a private gated community. Look at this. The water down there. See that? Look at that. Oh, looks like a neighborhood over there. Yeah, a little bit of a struggle climbing those steps. Look how gorgeous it is. Just another beautiful day here in Cape Coral. All right, we're gonna go down, and there's a nature trail right back here. I love nature trails. I'm gonna take you along with me to go check it out. So let's go check it out. There's the water over there. All right, don't fall. I don't want to fall up. Sorry guys, I gotta look down because I don't want to fall. Lose my footing. As you can see, it's a long way down. Oh, here's the trails that we're gonna go through. Oh, sorry about the fingers, my mistake. Those are the trails we're gonna go take a walk down. It's really gorgeous in there. It's a beautiful nature trail. Oh, look at that. Let's go check this out. Wow. They got a bench here. You could just hang out by the water. Getting bugs all over me. I don't know if you can see the fish in there. Look at all those fish. Let me see if I move. I could see them but I don't know if you could see them in the camera. Wow, look at this. There is like, I'm probably looking at about 30 fish right here in this little bit of water. Maybe even more. Look at all these fish. Wow. All right, we'll leave those fish alone and we'll continue on our tour. All right, let's continue on our tour. There is like a million bugs out here. I know you can't see them, but I hear them buzzing all in my ears. And this is during the day. Imagine coming here at night. This park makes a lot of noise, and I won't want to be here at night. Of course, the creatures, they come alive at night. And here's marker 11. Hopefully, maybe you don't get lost. It's about 90 degrees today. And I forgot my cool beverage at home. Luckily, I don't live too far. I'm about 10 miles, maybe in the last 5 from this park. So I should be able to shoot home quickly and get a refreshing beverage because it is a scorcher today. But if you ever get a chance to visit an awesome park, Rotary Park in Cape Coral. And you can just visit World Wide Web capeparks.com, and I'll give you a list of all our parks. Wow, look at this. Look at this. I mean, the bugs. I'm the only one out here. If it wasn't for that hotel back there, I swear I think I'd be lost. And I'm quite sure there's alligators somewhere in here. Look at this place. I mean, it's just gorgeous out here. That's where the water ends. They put nice steps if you want to go down to the water. Look at that. Look how beautiful. I just love coming out here. There's the lookout tower. We just were up there. Look at this. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. They put a little seat. You could sit there and just hang out and look at the water. Little steps to go down. All right, let's continue on and see what we can see. This place is absolutely amazing. I mean, it's just one of my favorite parks, along with 4 Mile Ecological Park. Oh, got some rough terrain here. Look at this place. I mean, where does that trail go? I don't know which way to go. I reached another fork in the road. All right, let's live dangerously. We're gonna go down that way, see where it goes. If I hit water, I know I've gone too far. But like I said, I'm definitely into nature. I just love it back here. And I would not be walking through here late at night, that's for sure. Oh, wow. I'll turn this around so you could see it. Oh, it's very muddy back here from all the rain. Whew. Oh my God. Where am I going? Oh. See what I mean? Like, look. I can go that way. Beautiful flowers. I can go this way. Pray to God I don't run into an alligator. What? Look at that observation bench. How am I supposed to get to that? Guess I can't. Unless I want to go frolicking or do the backstroke out to that observation pier. Backstroke. It is like so muddy and marshy. Oh boy. You hear? All right. That looks like it's appeared to be flooded out. Wow. All right. Let's head back the other way. Ooh. And let me tell you, it smells back here just as good as it looks. We've been getting a lot of rain, so it's definitely wet back here. Look at all this up here. Wow. I mean, who knows what kind of wildlife you'd bump into out here. All right, I'll check back in a little bit. All right, back on the regular trail now. And let me tell you, I'm starting to feel that sun. Usually in Florida, where I am in the southwest area, you do things early in the morning or late at night because it's just too darn too darn hot during the day. Look at that. Big rock there. Look at this. This is like not even part of the trail. I'm gonna go explore it and hope I don't get bitten by a brown recluse spider or an alligator lurking in these waters. Look at this. Wow, this is cool. I love nature. Anyone watching this channel that loves nature, this is definitely one of the parks you want to come to. And I will tell you, Chris the Flex is definitely getting overheated. It's warm. And in Florida, you always have to wear sunglasses because the sun will destroy your eyeballs. So I learned that lesson the hard way when I had a surgery on my eyes, because when I first moved here I never wore sunglasses and my eyes got pretty beat up. Oh, look at this tree. It looks like it fell. Probably one of storms. Is that not odd? Look at that. Wow. Now, while I'm filming, I am looking down in case there is a gator lurking in the water, but I don't see any. And I got bugs flying in my ears and over my heads, and oh yeah, just peachy out here. But look at that. Ooh, a lot of bugs out here. Ooh, go away, bugs. A little bit of a breeze. When I tell you it's hot out here, it's hot. But I feel a little bit of a breeze coming on, which is nice, unlike 4 Mile Eco, where when you're in those backwoods, there is just no air. Look at it. I mean, they got all like these little beaten walkways that just go off. Look at that right there. Want to go take a look at that? Should we go take a look? Let's go take a look. Whoop. You didn't even see my camera. Wow, look at this. Again, even though I'm close to the water, I have my head down and I am looking for alligators because I'm quite sure there might be some in here. I was told when I first moved down here, any body of water, assume there's an alligator in there. And do not swim in anything that's not made to be swam in. That was the advice that was kicked down to me when I first moved here. Still trying to find my way out. Oh, back on the wooden trail. I guess this is a good sign. I'm almost back to civilization. Oh boy, it's full of bugs. Oh my God, I'm out. Yes, I'm free. Go back out. Is this the way we came in? I don't even know. All right, so this is the park. That's the children's playground. These are the shelters. Children's playground. They have bathrooms back there. Birdhouse. And we'll take a walk down this way, and I'll show you what's down here. Take a quick walk. There's a sign I was talking about. I don't know if you could see it. It says no dogs, and there's an alligator chasing a dog. That's why they don't want you going near the water. I hope you can see that. Pretty intimidating picture, an alligator chasing a dog. Don't bring your dog near that water. And as you go along, they have these signs posted here that help you identify with wildlife. There you got the blanket flower, horse mint, wild petunia. These look like all kinds of flowers, butterflies. Big thank you to our wonderful volunteers and partners of the Lee Master Gardens, Florida Friendly Landscaping, the University of Florida IFAC Extension Office for helping the city educate and maintain our native landscape. Look at this place. Man, there is a lot of bugs out here. Don't go near the water. Do you want to live on the edge? Here's another trail. Let's go. Let's go live on the edge. We're gonna go. I have no idea where this little trail goes, but you and we're gonna find out together. Oh boy, there's bugs in here. I know you can't hear it, but there's so many bugs buzzing my ears, and I couldn't even imagine walking through here at nighttime. I mean, I'm hearing creaking and cracking and bushes moving, and it's during the day. We're gonna live dangerously. Oh my God, where am I? I don't know. Don't do what I do. You could get lost. I mean, we gotta get out eventually. Again, just keep my eye out for wildlife, because even though it's during the day and hopefully all the aggressive animals are sleeping, I still got my eye out. Look at this place. Oh no, I'm back in the wet marshland. Look at this place. Somebody rode their bike through here. There's a big bicycle trail. Oh, it's soaking wet back here. Look at this. Oh, I'll show you. Look at this. I'm gonna try to frolic my way through here. My shoes are gonna be destroyed after this. I can't believe I almost fell. I can't believe someone rode that bike through here. Crazy. Oh, look at this. Yuck. Oh boy, I have no idea where I am. I ain't gonna lie to you, I have no clue where I am. Oh boy. Look at this. Oh, I'm on the F trail. That explains it. Ooh, this stagnant water stinks too. Oh boy, it's all flooded out back there. I don't think I can make my way down there. Oh, it smells. Ugh. All right, this stagnant water. It smells like sewage back here. All right. My foot just went underneath the mud. Mud. Look, see? That's my footprint right there from walking here. Remind me next time I come here to put on my hiking boots. I do have a good pair of hiking boots that make sure I have on the appropriate foot gear next time. Oh. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the butterfly garden, the outside, because it's by tour only. I'll put the phone number to Rotary down below if you want to call them, if you're in the Cape Coral area and you want to call them for a tour. Rotary Park is like the nerve center of all the parks in Cape Coral. So if you want to know anything about any parks, you would call Rotary, and they're like the brain. They dispatch the information out to you. So Rotary pretty much is the nerve center of all the Cape Coral parks. All right, let's go take a look at the butterfly garden. Okay, this is the butterfly garden. I don't know if you can see the butterflies in there, but there's quite a bit of them. Check this out. Oh, there's butterflies all over this place. Hope you can catch some of them on camera. Wow, this is really cool. And there it is. Butterfly house tours, Monday through Friday and Saturday at 10:30. And there's all the species of butterflies. Check that out. How cool is this place? That says join Captain Redfoot for Friday morning walk in the park. Yep, that's the butterfly garden that they give tours of. This looks like they're going to be putting more animals in there, but it looks like it's still under construction right now. But I'm quite sure more wildlife will be coming in there. And you could see just how far this place goes. Look at that, all the way down there. Wow. All right, everyone, I'm going to end this video. Chris the Flex, thoroughly overheated. I broke the golden rule of Florida, which is leaving my house without any cold beverages. But luckily, I'm not too far. I'm ready to go home and get some ice cold water. I'm thoroughly overheated. Hope you enjoyed this nature walk. We will come back and do it again. This time I'll have my all-terrain boots on, and we could frolic through that mud. Okay, everyone, hope you liked this video. If so, pop a thumbs up. And even if you didn't like it, pop a thumbs up. Much love, Chris the Flex. See you on the next one. I'm out.